check out this pumpkin. Just came in. Look at this growth split. This is a growth split. It won't disqualify it. Not even close. No, oh no. No, it's got to go 3 inches deep and be a hole at least 3 inches deep to disqualify it. But that's a split, not a rot spot. So I don't know. That could probably go at least 3 inches deep and it wouldn't DQ it. That's pretty. Is that yours, Michael? All right, how you doing, Michael? Congratulations, nice orange pumpkin.
Thank you.
Michael Hodge here from Indiana. We're just showing you the growth cracks. No, those growth cracks will not disqualify the pumpkin. Those are legit. People get that confused with the rot spot. A rot spot can't be more than 3 inches deep, and that's what they measure for. These are sealed, cured, and healed cracks. They will not disqualify you. So hey, join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Get your pumpkins. Gustin, Kentucky today. We're having a blast. Enjoy all your way outs this year and good luck to all. worldwidegiantgrowers.com and Mark's Mixes. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.